Hello there, friends. It's me, Mr. Prof, back once again here in sunny Santa Monica, California. I hope you guys had a wonderful spring break. It's nice to be back with you guys. And it's cool because we're starting a whole new week, a whole new month, and a whole new topic. Let me show you a couple things that I have here with me at my desk. How do I do that? I can't remember. It's been so long. I'm not even sure if I remember how to do this. I think I share my desktop. I go like that. Boom, and then I think I go like this, kabam, and then I think I do this. Aha, cool. So here you're seeing my desktop here and my lovely paisley tablecloth. And on my table, I have two things. I have this pretty little yellow plant, which is in a pot, and I have a plastic fish. So look at these two things, my fish and my plant. One of these things is alive and one of these things is not alive. Can you tell which one of these two things is alive and which one is not alive? Well, if you said the plant is alive, then you are absolutely right. This plant is alive. And this plastic fish, while super adorable, hello, is not alive. So how do we know if something is alive or not alive? Well, there are certain rules that tell us what is alive. All living things eat and drink, right? All living things eat and drink. You're a living thing and you eat and drink. So here's like some human food. Not all living things eat the same stuff, but living things eat and drink. Living things grow, and living things can move, right? You, a living thing, you eat food and you drink water. You grow, you start as a little wee baby, and eventually you grow up into an adult. And you can move, right? You can get up, you can walk around, you can do different things. So that's, in a nutshell, those are the three things that all living things can do. So let's look at some stuff and let's figure out what stuff is alive and what stuff is not alive. I'm actually going to see if I can get my little on-screen marker. There I go. So right here I have a toy car. Is that toy car alive? Well, the toy car doesn't need food or water or air. The toy car does not grow, but the toy car could move, right? If you pushed it, it could move, but it doesn't meet all the definition, right? It can't eat and it can't grow. It's never going to get any bigger. So that toy car is not alive. How about this plant right here? I think this is actually called a Joshua tree. You can see those if you ever go up to the high desert here in California. Well, that tree needs food, water, and air, right? Plants make their food. Actually, they take sunlight and they turn it into food. They definitely need water. Plants actually do breathe. They have little holes in the leaves where they absorb oxygen. And plants grow, right? They start off as tiny little seeds and then they grow into whatever they're going to be. So that tree is totally alive. That's a really bad circle. Oh my gosh, that's a terrible circle. Then I also have a picture of a giraffe. Is the giraffe alive? Well, does the giraffe need food or water? Yes, it does. Does the giraffe grow? Yes, the giraffe starts as a little baby and it grows into an adult. And can the giraffe move? Yes, it can. It can walk around. How about our little fish right here, our little Nemo fish? He needs food, water, and air. But you're like, Mr. Prof, how does a fish need air? Well, actually in the water that he's swimming around in, there are little tiny bits of oxygen, and he's breathing actually oxygen from the water through these things called gills. He can move around, and fish do grow, right? They start off as eggs, and then they grow into whatever they're going to be when they get bigger. So yep, that fish is totally alive. How about these rocks? Are these rocks alive? Well, the rocks can't move, and they can't grow, and they don't need food, water, or air. So nope, the rocks are not alive. How about an airplane? Ooh, an airplane moves, but does an airplane need food, water, and air? It needs fuel, so kind of, but can an airplane grow? Nope, an airplane cannot grow. It's going to be the same size it is as soon as it's made. It's going to stay that size forever. So remember, to be a living thing, you need 3 things. You need, whoops, hold on a second, food, water, and I should have added air too. You need food, water, and air. You grow, and you can move. And if you can do all those things, then you are alive. So what you're going to do today, dear friends, is you're going to draw a picture of 2 things. You're going to draw a picture of something that is alive and something that is not alive. Draw me a picture of something alive and something that's not alive. You're going to take a picture of those, and you're going to send those to your teacher. Very cool. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And later this week, we're going to start observing different things, and we're going to decide if these living things are alive or not alive. And actually, starting tomorrow, we're going to create a living things journal where we're going to be recording our observations. So there's a little preview of stuff coming up. Anyway, very happy to have you guys back with us. Good to see you again. Let's get to work, and Prof out.